What if I said you could make this deeply savory and comforting Chinese classic in less than 10 minutes? Well, here we go, my friends. This is 10-minute tomato and egg drop soup. All right, so there's one very surprising tip here that really brings out all the best flavor in this soup, and it has to do with the tomatoes, actually. So grab a hold of your tomatoes and just want to cut these into wedges. And the thing with tomatoes is that they really benefit from a little pre-salting, if you know what I mean. So just like you would pre-season your steak and let it sit around and let that salt absorb for a little while, the same thing helps with your tomatoes. Now this recipe is in my cookbook, which is full of lots of these little tips. This is actually the companion book to Always Delicious, this one here. And this, oh, so many books, I'm gonna juggle them. It's the companion book to Always Delicious. So if you loved this one, you might want to pick this one up as well. There are more tips, more techniques, and more of the recipes that you love from my channel. I've really brought you guys even more delicious things here. We've got fundamentals, broths and braises, crispy crunchy things. You guys know how much I like to deep fry things. And then there's also a baking chapter, which is new for this book, and also a make it really fast chapter, which is where this recipe sits. So let's keep going here with making it really fast. And I'm gonna put my salt onto my tomatoes here and just let them sit for a few minutes. You can see that the salt's dissolved, so now I can throw that into my pot. Now you want to give your tomatoes sizzle time in there so they start to develop more flavour. And now that they've slightly softened, I'm going to go in with some garlic. And just to make it really quick, I'm just going to grate it straight in there. Now, chicken stock, just use store-bought if it's, you know, a weeknight and you don't have any homemade handy. You want that to come up to a little bit of a simmer, and then while we're waiting for that, let's get all the other bits and pieces done. So I have some eggs that I need to get whisked, and then we need some corn flour here because I'm going to thicken up the soup later on. A little dash of water. Now it's always a good idea to mix your corn flour with water before you add it into a soup or a stir fry. It just reduces the risk of lumps. And now at this point my soup has started bubbling away here. So let's go in with the egg. Now my big tip for doing the egg and getting that perfect swirl of egg, which is like the classic egg drop, you know, situation, is to create a vortex. So fancy name for just swirling your spoon around in here and making like a whirlpool. And then you kind of just want to drizzle that egg into the center. Try and do it like a little slowly, bit by bit. And then now you should have beautiful tendrils of egg through your soup. Now to thicken and season. So I've got my corn flour mixed with water and my soy sauce and some white pepper. Now just at the end here, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I don't want to add any more soy sauce because I don't want the soup to look too dark. And now at this point, your soup should be a little thicker. So I don't want it too thick and gloopy, but just enough body to kind of hold that egg. So that looks lovely, and can ladle that out. A little sprinkling of spring onion. And there you go, my friends, tomato egg drop soup done in record time. Let's get in here and make sure it tastes really good, shall we? Ah, so good. I just love how simple this soup is and yet how good it tastes. So yum. Hey guys, if you love making 10-minute things or even 30-minute things or just things with no time limit at all, you should really subscribe to my channel. I have loads of delicious recipes coming out every week. Just hit the subscribe and that little bell button so you always get notified when I'm releasing something delicious.